We begin today with the numbers. They are climbing. Have you heard? New daily coronavirus cases could more than double from current numbers. That's according to the nation's top infectious disease expert. The U.S. added almost 45,000 cases yesterday alone, another near record increase. Around 1,200 more deaths were reported, taking the U.S. total to more than 127,000.
As you heard, Dr. Anthony Fauci testified yesterday we could hit 100,000 cases a day without major changes. Janet Shamlian joins us from hard-hit Houston. Janet, how does this affect plans for the 4th of July, which we're all looking forward to?
Anthony, good morning. Texas has put limits only on outdoor gatherings of more than 100 people. But with the holiday weekend ahead, medical officials and experts are very concerned. And that's because since the last holiday weekend, Memorial Day, hospitalizations here in Houston have jumped more than 300%.
Any healthcare system in the world will be pushed to the brink with this kind of exponential curve.
Dr. Faisal Massoud is the critical care director at Houston Methodist Hospital. He's asking Texans to wear masks to help bring down the curve to where it was in May.
My frustration is that we did it. Why do we take everything for granted? Please, we got to stop this thing now.
Houston area ICUs are at 93% capacity. Statewide, hospitalizations are up 332% since Memorial Day. More than 6,500 Texans are now hospitalized with coronavirus, an all-time high. And demand for tests is outstripping supply at several sites.
It was about a 3-hour wait, and they ran out of tests.
Texas is one of at least 18 states that have either paused or rolled back reopenings due to the coronavirus. So has California, where new cases rose close to 70,000 in the last 2 weeks, a 42% increase. Governor Gavin Newsom warned of a new round of restrictions.
The framework for us is this: if you're not going to stay home and you're not going to wear masks in public, we have to enforce.
Clearly, we are not in total control right now.
At a Senate hearing Tuesday, Dr. Anthony Fauci warned lawmakers that surging cases in several states have put the entire country at risk.
But I think it's important to tell you and the American public that I'm very concerned because it could get very bad.
37 states reported increases in their 7-day average for new coronavirus cases Tuesday. Arizona's average rose 83% compared to 2 weeks ago. And as cases there continue to climb, frontline workers like Eric Jones are increasingly exposed.
Pretty much all we ran for months were COVID calls back to back to back.
Jones is a firefighter in Chandler. He says before he caught the virus, he doubted its severity.
I lost consciousness and ended up on the ground. Like it was that intense, thinking it was just like the flu or something like that. But it's not, man. It's real.
With cases rising across the country, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut are now asking travelers from 16 states to quarantine for 2 weeks if they come to the area. And Massachusetts is going even further, asking anyone who travels from outside the Northeast to the state to do that same quarantine. Tony?
A lot of concerns up here, Janet. Thank you very much.